listening system, what time is it? So, okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 11:29 a.m.
Okay, just turned 11:29 for all the radios. Here we go! Yes! My idea worked!
This is a weekly test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards. Southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia.
Hey, the show!
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every
Hey,
Wednesday
this is just what I activated on the first
between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat or existing severe weather,
I knew my idea would work.
Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-hazard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. The coastal waters forecast for the following: Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach.
Okay, let's do a little analysis here. Unit Bearcat WX 500 activated. V5 activated. This thing surprisingly activated on the first header. It never does that. At least it went off. This didn't go off because the antenna's crap. Ah. This didn't go off, sadly. The 1630 went off. The version 4 didn't go off, surprisingly, because it did the 249. The 251 went off. Sure. There. 7420 went off. FR800 activated, as you can see there. Version 3 activated. You see the test message. I thought this thing was on voice. Oh, it is on voice. Okay. Black EAR10 activated. Finally. White EAR10 activated. Oh, wrong button. There. This surprisingly didn't go off. Let's see why. That's understandable. The V2 went off. The 6.7 went off. You finally get to hear its alert tone here. The 521 activated. You can see it. 120 activated. Be quiet. Emerson CW 2000 activated. Be quiet, I don't want to get copyrighted. And the 259 activated. So powered off. So that was the test.